IBM just fired 8,000 workers. AI replaced them already. That's 2026 arriving early. And your job might be next. OpenAI's GPT-4 now codes faster than 47,000 senior developers combined. That's not projection. That's February 2025. Microsoft deployed Copilot across 300 million desks last quarter. Graphic designers are obsolete. Adobe Firefly replaced 62% of entry-level design roles in 6 months. Real companies, real layoffs, real money vanishing from paychecks. Customer service agents are extinct. Salesforce Einstein handles 89% of support tickets now with zero human input. Your phone has been listening. Sora generates video content in seconds. Hollywood extras filed lawsuits. They lost. Content creators are hemorrhaging young income. Google DeepMind's AlphaCode solves problems junior programmers solve. It does it in milliseconds. Facebook's recommendation engine runs on 18 billion parametric models. That's one algorithm replacing entire marketing departments. Your competitor already uses this. You do not. Accountants face extinction in 2026. Big Four firms deployed AI auditors. They cost 1/10 of human CPAs. The math is horrifying. 5 tools, 5 industries collapsing, 0 reversals. This is the revolution. It accelerates daily. Your skills depreciate hourly. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.